Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less. Here's another fantastic thing to pack into your gear whenever you're out doing your moto trips and your adventures. Everybody has to do their business, and the one thing that you really do need to pack and put it either in your tank bag, box, giant loop, it doesn't matter. These things are fantastic. Basically a fold-away breakable shovel. These things are awesome. They're cheap. They're not very expensive. You can dig your hole. You can cover up your stuff. It's for more than just basically creating a latrine. It also works for other stuff too, basically for fire pits and stuff like that. These things are fantastic. They don't cost a lot, and they really do a great and fantastic job. So down in the description, if you guys have any desire to pick up one of these, it's a fold-away basically shovel. They're awesome to have, and you will be thankful that you have one in your pack. Anyway, that's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a fantastic day.